So in this SEO for beginner tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how you can steal your computer keyword and be able to rank on that keyword. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how to do keyword analysis, how to actually spy on your competitor, to actually see some of the keywords they're actually ranking for that have very low competition and also have high CPC. So you have to ensure you watch this video from beginning to the end, because I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on the process of doing keyword research for a complete beginner. So without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So I'm going to be using this particular website, which is called cardsreview.com. So this particular niche is in gift card niche and gift idea niche. So I'm going to be doing keyword research for this particular website. So we are going to go back to Google, then we are going to use this particular seed keyword, which is gift card ideas. So we are going to search for it to actually see some of the website that has been ranking for this particular keyword, which is the first one is 33 best gifts to give everyone on holiday list. So and the domain authority is around 89. So we can actually use this particular website for our keyword analysis because we are actually starting out and we have very low domain authority. So we are going to scroll down a little bit to see some of the websites that doesn't have much domain authority. So as you can see, this particular website, which is Card Tonies, actually have 32 domain authority. We can't, and they are receiving some amount of traffic to their website. So we can actually copy some of the keywords they are using. So let's click on the website to see what the website is all about. So as you can see, they actually write content about gift cards, so we can replicate what they are doing to actually be getting traffic to our website. We are going to copy the website URL copy, then we are going to use it to the next thing we have to do now. The next thing you have to do is to sign up for this particular website. So this particular website is called keysearch.co. So you can actually use other keyword research tools like Ahrefs, like Emos, like SEMrush to do your keyword analysis. But the problem is they are very, very expensive. So that is why we are going to use this particular keyword research, which is called keysearch.co. So let me show you the pricing to show you that it's very, very cheap. So as you can see, you can actually start free trial, which is going to give you different features. You can do keyword research for YouTube. I think you can do side audits, but due to the fact that this is a free trial, and if you want to subscribe for their premium plan, like it's just $17 per month, and you can actually subscribe for a yearly plan. So if you compare it with Ahrefs or SEMrush, we discover that the price is very, very affordable. So I'm going to be dropping a link to keysearch inside the video description, and I actually have a coupon code if you want to use keysearch. It's going to give you like 50% discount. So let's assume that you want to start up using keysearch. You are going to click on get started over here. Then you can choose free trial, get started with free trial. Then we are going to register with your email, your password. Then click on I'm not a robot, agree the terms and conditions, then register. So I'm not going to be signing up because I already have an existing account. So I'm just going to log in to show you how you can use keysearch to steal your competitor's keyword. So let's log in over here. I'm not a robot. Verify, then sign in. So as you can see, this is the dashboard of keysearch. It's very, very simple to navigate. Unlike all these SEMrush and most, their UI UX design is very, very complex. So, but keysearch is very simple to actually navigate. It's very good for a beginner someone that just starting out SEO. So we are going back to the website, which is cardtonic.com. We are going to copy the URL, copy, then come over to keysearch.com, paste the URL over here. Then click on search to actually search their database to see some of the keywords they are actually ranking for on Google. So it's going to search their database and give us some of the keywords. So as you can see, this is the website, which is cartony.com. These are the keywords this website is ranking for. So we can actually filter these searches with probably the search volume the website is getting every single month. So when we click on it, we are going to see some of the keywords they are ranking for. So as you can see, American Express check balance gift card is getting like 95,000 visitor every single month, and the CPC is around $4.4 per CPC. So we can actually copy this kind of keyword and write content for it and be able to rank well on Google. So this one is also American Express gift card balance, MS gift card balance. So also on keysearch, we can actually filter our searches with, if you're actually looking for a high CPC, we can actually click on CPC over here and go to give us some of the keywords that have very high CPC. As you can see, this particular keyword, can you use a Visa gift card on app? So you actually have $20 CPC. We can actually write for this particular keyword and rank for it. So this one actually have 15.82 US dollar. This one have 9.988 US dollar. So we can actually filter through like rank the position of their ranking on Google search. So if they are, you can actually filter probably if they are ranking on the first page or on the second page. So this particular one, how to get cash from American Express card, is actually ranking number 4 on Google search. So, and also the last one is actually filter our search based on the keyword difficulties, which is very, very important, because when you are starting out to write a blog post, you have to actually write for a long tail keyword, and the keyword that actually have very low competition. So we are going to click on score volume, so to show you some of the keywords that have very low competition keywords. So as you can see, how to make money in Nigeria on internet, it actually have 10 search volume and 21 keyword difficulties. That implies that if you actually write content for this particular keyword, you are going to rank very fast, like on the first page of Google, because it has very low competition, like very low competition keyword. So the next thing is that I want to show you about keysearch is the competitor. Like you can actually find some of your competitor. As you can see, these are the competitor of this particular website, which is linkedin.com, Cash App, and Quora. So that means we can actually find based on ranking traffic. So as you can see, these are the keywords they are ranking for, like according to the website. So, and this is for the social, if you want to actually analyze the website based on the social traffic they are getting. So I actually want you to try keysearch because it's very, very easy to use for a complete beginner. So the last thing I want to show you is how to export your keyword, because most of the other two, for you to export your keyword, you have to subscribe for their premium plan. But on keysearch, you can actually do everything you want without paying for the monthly subscription. So all you have to do is to click on bulk export over here. So you can actually export as a CSV file, like a table, like a spreadsheet. You can actually export it over here and go to be downloaded onto your laptop to start your further keyword research. So let's click on it to show you the keyword you actually downloaded onto our laptop. And most of this keyword is very, very low competition and have high volume of CPC. So unlike you just paying for someone to do keyword research for you, or starting from scratch trying to find probably keyword, this is the best strategy for you to actually steal what is working, like your competitor keyword that's been ranking on Google. I'm very sure if you can actually write this kind of content, you are going to rank more faster on Google. So once again, I'm going to be dropping the link to keysearch inside the video description. You can actually check it out to register and start using it for free. You can actually start free trial, and it's not like you are going to enter your credit card. It's absolutely free. So thanks for watching today's video. And sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be getting latest update from me. Bye. I'll see you in my next video.